ignore my event grouping, I would hit the icon on my toolbar titled Ignore Event Grouping. And if I did that, and you can see my events are now ignored now. This is an event. This is an event. This is an event. This is an event. They are all events. Any single item, irregardless of size, is an event in your timeline. Now let's say I just wanted to just split my audio. I would place my insertion point wherever I wanted to split it at, and then see how my mouse cursor looks. It turns into the double-edged arrows. I click on my insertion point, and now when I hit the S key, I will split only my audio, not my video. Okay, so if you want to split just the audio or just the video, you have to hit your Ignore Event Grouping button to make sure that your events are indeed ignored. The groups are ignored, I should say. And then you can individually split an audio file or a text file, as long as you highlight it first. Okay. If you want to split both of them, select your Ignore Event Grouping button. It's just a toggle switch, and you hit split, and it has split both of them. Now that should have locked my events together, but you have multiple events on the screen. In order for Ignore Event Grouping to identify which ones you want to group, you need to hold down the control button and select the events that you would like to group together. One more thing I would add about Ignore Event Grouping. When your events are grouped together, if I right click and I want to delete just my video event, since they're grouped together, it will delete the entire group. Okay, here we go. We were able to ignore our event grouping. Now if I want to just delete this chunk of video, it'll delete just the video and keep the audio. That is very handy when you want to pull in a song that you can't get a hold of any other way but getting it from YouTube and it comes with a video. Well, now you can delete the video and use just the song, or vice versa. So using Ignore Event Grouping is a handy tool, not only for moving media around on your timeline, but also deleting just a video or just an audio file, or if you want to delete both of them, then you can delete both chunks. Ignore Event Grouping, you've seen me do that several times. Right now my audio event and my video event are ungrouped. I'm not even sure if that's a word. But if I want to go up here, and I will hit Control to highlight both of these, and I will hit my Ignore Event Grouping, and now my events will be grouped together so that they move with one another.